Hello guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel GamerTTYT. So guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and support me. So guys, today I am making this video to show you how you can stream PUBG and other games in OBS Studio. So guys, you have to follow all the settings that I will show you in the video. So after these settings, if you have internet like 2 MB per second upload speed, so with this you can stream your game on YouTube. So guys, if you have a 2 MB per second speed or 2.5 MB per second upload speed, you can use these settings for your stream. So guys, let's move on towards the video and tutorial. So first of all, you have to open your OBS Studio. As I am doing, you must open it as an administrator. So I will just click on it and wait for it to launch. So guys, as you can see here, I have created 3 sources. I hope you know about all the sources and scene setting. So I am just gonna move on towards the settings for stream. So I will just click on settings, and then you can see here you have a lot of tabs here. You have to move on towards the output and select output mode here. In general, you don't have to do anything as I have not made any changes. So I will just move on towards the output settings. Here you have to go to output mode. If you have not set it as advanced, you just need to move on towards the advanced, and then here you can see I have these settings. So guys, you can set your encoder to whatever you want, but I have an AMD graphic card, so I have set it at it. So guys, next step, you have to select your rescale output. So if you wanna stream at 720p, you should select it as 1280 and 720. So guys, next you have to select your quality preset to balanced, and then you have to move on towards target bitrate. So guys, this is the important thing you have to do. So guys, if you have an internet like 4 MB per second, 3 MB per second upload speed, you can set it to 2500 bitrate and it will work perfectly fine as it does for me. So guys, let's move on towards the next settings. You will move on towards the audio, but as I have not made any changes in it, so I will just skip this one. I will go towards the video. Here you have to select your canvas resolution to 1280 720 if you want to stream at 720p, as I have selected both of them at 1280. So guys, you can see my previous streams. If you like it, you can select it. So next you have to select your downscale filter. I have selected it as by cubic sharpened scaling, so you must select this as well. So if you have a very good PC, you can increase your FPS. I have a normal gaming PC, so I have just selected it at 30. So guys, next you have to move towards the advanced setting. Here you have to, here there is nothing changes I have made, I think, but you can set the setting as I have done. So guys, you can see. Okay, now I will apply these settings and click OK. So guys, these are the simple settings you can do for your stream. So I hope you like the video, and if it worked for you, do like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Good luck. Bye bye.